Hello students, hope you all are doing great. What do we have to discuss in today's video? We will discuss it. But before that, you know what you have to do. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about my next upload. So students, let's discuss about today's video. In today's video, we are starting with first chapter of first unit, that is work, livelihood and career. In this chapter, we will discuss what work, livelihood, career and entrepreneurship are. Other than this, understanding concepts like standard of living, quality of life, social responsibilities, successful career, traditional occupations and healthy work environment. As you all can see, there are a lot of subtopics of this chapter. Due to that, I will divide tutorial of first chapter into several small videos. So I would request each one of you to follow all parts of first chapter. Let's begin with first topic, that is work and meaningful work. Now students, in layman term we define work any task we perform. Now, this task can be performed out of making a living, as a duty, or as a source of joy or fulfillment. Now, work will help all individuals to fit into their environment smoothly. Example, when you work, you build new relations, learn to accept others' viewpoints. On the top of that, through your special skills, you form your identity, like teacher, dancer, plumber, musician, etc. Through work, one contribute their part in national development as well. Now, the type of work depend upon lot of factors like opportunities, financial return, family background, etc. It is rightly said that work is the oil that lubricates the machine of society, which means work helps us to remain an active member of society. The purpose of working could be many. Some would prefer to work so that they can make their livelihood. Some would prefer so that they enjoy luxury. Some would work for intellectual stimulation, means they want to remain updated and well connected with the constant global upgradations. Now, students, it is important to understand that work is not always about monetary gains. For example, work done by a family member for the family, or work done by volunteers, work done by social workers, etc. Thus, we say that work is not always about how much money a person earns. Rather, it is about whether one makes a contribution to oneself, one's family, one's employers, to society, or to the world. When any individual is involved in meaningful work, that person develops sense of identity, worth, and dignity. A meaningful work would be those tasks or bunch of tasks which are performed responsibly and worker enjoys performing them in a meaningful way. Worker remains enthusiastic and uses his or her various skills to perform those tasks. Moving on to next, understanding the difference between these three terms. Starting with work, work is directly related with performing any task, can be paid or unpaid. Livelihood means any task which is paid and is useful to meet one's basic needs. Last but not the least, career. Now, it is driven by deep desire to excel and a passionate need to grow and prove oneself in desired field of work. All right, students, this is it for today. In the next video, we will discuss topics mentioned on your screens. For that, please follow the second part of chapter 1. In the last slide, I have mentioned 3 questions which all of you are supposed to do in your notebooks. Till then, thank you and stay blessed.